Today, we are unable to perform certain things or workouts that we as teenagers must be able to do easily. One such thing is push ups. Being such a basic workout, push ups is going to give your chest a basic definition, pump a big size. But because of some body size, body weight, age, lack of workout, lack of exercise, many teenagers are not able to perform this workout, which is a basic workout for your chest, and that is a sad story. What is up, your boys? It's your boy Guyskills, and today I'm going to be going over that one simple trick that's going to push you to be able to do push-ups. That was a hard intro. Okay, so today I'm going to be going over that one simple trick that's going to push you to be able to do that push-ups, which is a basic workout for your chest very easily, and that one simple trick is... So I'm going to be illustrating the three basic stages of the push-up, which is going to fall under this improvement category. The first, which is a very basic formation that is a beginner level of push-up, and the next, a bit of an improvement which is needed to bring you the perfect formation that is needed for you to activate your chest muscle, and then the third variation, which is the final improvement, which is going to push you, as I told you earlier, in which you're going to be able to do a normal push-up very easily. But before we get to the video, if you are already a member of GS Army, please. But if you are watching my face for the first time, drop a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell, and also follow us on Instagram and be a part of GS Army. Peace. Oh, okay. So the first formation of this push-up journey is to master the box push-ups, which is a really simple push-up. It's just like keeping baby steps. And when you master that box push-up for a week, you're going to be doing the box push-ups for 3 sets, 10 counts each. For 3 days once, you're going to be practicing this, you're going to be mastering this box push-ups for a week, and you're going to be improving that box push-ups and taking the next step, which is the knee push-ups for the next week. I'm going to be illustrating the formation perfectly, and then the final week, you'll be able to master the normal push-ups. So I'm sweating already. Let's get on with the box push-ups first. So for the box push-ups, you need to be sitting like a dog, and your hands should be a bit wider than your shoulders, and your legs normally placed like a dog. And then you're gonna push your upper body, your torso, downwards for 1 count, downwards for each count. So let's go. So as I told you, you're gonna be sitting like a dog, and your hands should be a bit wider than your shoulders. Alright, so like it's basically gonna look like this, and then the first count is going to be 1, 2. So for each count, you gotta push your torso down, but you should not be bringing your whole body downwards. You just need to push your torso down. 1. So 2. So 3. Now, okay. So perform this workout for 10 counts and repeat this for 3 sets, and you're done for the day. But as we're talking about the improvement stages of each improvement stages of the push-ups, we are going to be going to the next stage, which is the knee push-ups, which is basically a little improvement from the box push-ups that we did. Instead of just having a rigid dog shape, you're going to be pushing your legs and your torso a bit apart, which is going to basically look like this. For the box workout, you had your legs placed like this and your hands placed like this. For the knee push-ups, you're basically going to cross your legs and pushing your knees a bit backwards. So it's going to be like your knees are in shape with your body. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2. So for the box push-ups, you just pushed your torso down for each count, but for the knee push-ups, you're going to be pushing your entire body, right from the knee to your head. You're going to be pushing your entire body downwards. So for the final improvement for the knee push-ups, you're going to be pushing your knee and your legs in a straight way. So it's going to be, your body is going to be in a straight straight plank shape, right from your toe till your head. So it's gonna basically look like this, and you push down for the first count. So yeah, if you want to concentrate the push-up on your chest, it should be perfectly aligned with your shoulder or wider than your shoulder. So nothing else, just practice this for the 3 weeks and you're going to be mastering the military push-ups, which is the normal chest push-ups. And subscribe for more. Turn on the post notification bell. Peace.